Hello everyone. Already we discussed our types of storages, but in that we have like one optical disc. Okay, so this optical disc is having the basic principles. Means here, how we are working the operations for the optical disc. Okay, so we have these some basic principles to perform the operations on optical disc. So today we will discuss what we have the basic principles on optical disc. Okay, so first you see what is optical disc. First you see what is optical disc. Here optical disc is the one of external storage. Here optical disc is the one of external storage. Here it is the one of external storage, and it is mostly we are using at right nowadays. Means here present this year we are using the our optical disc. It is having the external storage to perform, and mostly we are using this optical disc nowadays. Why we are using this optical disc means here to store the large volume on the computer. Why we are using this optical disc here to perform the storing large volume of computer. Okay, so here this optical disc is having the some external storage to perform use it to perform the nowadays to store the our large amount of volume computer. So means here whatever you're writing, whatever you're saving files or documents, anything, so that can be stored into the our optical disc. So here it is storing the large amount of volume means here so much of. Okay, large means you're not in the only 10 5 MB 10 MB like this. Here it is taking the JB format and like this. Okay, so and this optical disc is in the round type. Okay, so this optical disc is in the round type. Okay, and it is having the flat piece of plastic disc. Your optical disc is in the round type. Okay, and also it is having the flat piece of plastic disc. It is having the plastic disc. Okay, so your optical disc is having the round manner, and this round manner is having the flat piece of plastic disc. It is having the flat piece of plastic disc, and whatever we have the disc. Okay, so whatever we have the disc, so that disc is having the, okay, so that disc is having coated with the like some material. Okay, so here whatever we have the piece of plastic disc, so that disc is that disc is coated with some material that can be having the some data. Means here whatever we have the disc coated, so that is storing the, so that is storing the our data into that. Okay, that is storing the data into that, and it is having the, okay, so and it is mostly for the storing or reading from the less reflective area lasers, whatever you are sending the lasers or anything. Okay, so it is mostly in the our round type, right? So your optical disc is having is used to perform the many technology or many techniques to perform this. So like this here we are performing, so mostly we are using the optical disc is like this. So in the previous class already we seen this. See this optical disc. Okay, so here like we can call this is CD type. Okay, so this is in the round manner, and this is taking the optical. Okay, and this is taking the means here this is in the round manner, and it is a flat piece of one plastic. This is the flat piece of one disc, and this disc is coated with the some material. Okay, so and it is having the very highly reflective areas, means here it is having the laser diode. So these are all the lasers. Okay, so in this we are placing our lasers. Okay, so we are placing this into, okay, we are placing this into some systems or anything. Okay, so whatever it may be. Okay, and main here our advantage of the optical disc is to perform the means it is having the very less space. Okay, so here it is just storing the, your optical disc can be stores the less space of memory. It is taking the less space of memory, means your these are all available our available in our markets. So and we have different sizes and different storage capacities to perform everything. Okay, so it is cost effective. Okay, so here it is cost effective like this. Okay, so we have the some basic properties to perform the our operations, right? So what we have the basic operations into these basic principles. First one is the storage organization. Storage organization. First one is the storage organization, right? So here, what is storage organization? What is storage organization? So here optical disc is having the single long track. Here this optical disc is having the single long track. Okay, it is having the single long track, and it is begins at outer edge and spiraling into inwards to enter. Okay, so means here it is having the outer edge. So means here like this it is having. Okay, like this we have. Okay, so here it is having the one long track like this. Here this is having the long track to perform, and it is performing the outer edge. Okay, so like this it is performing the, it is reading like this outer edge. From the outer edge it is reading into this. Okay, like this it is reading. Okay, like this it is reading into this, and here it is having the some spiral track. Okay, so we can call this is the track pattern on the optical disc. We can call this is the track, okay, track pattern on your optical disc. And here this is having the some spiral track. Okay, so here it is having the some spiral track. Okay, so this spiral track is mainly used to read the large block of data. Here what is the use for the spiral track, means here it is used to read the large block of data, so that can be arranged in sequential manner. So what we are storing into that, means here it may be videos, okay, or else it may be audios. Okay, so these videos and audios are storing in the form of sequential order in the spiral track. So once it is completed, it is moving to the next one. Once that one is also completed, it is moving to the next one. So like this, it is sequentially taking our videos or audios. And here it is accessing the our data randomly when here we have this slow comparison to perform the our magnetic disk. Okay, it is taking the accessing the data. So whenever it is accessing the data, it is choosing the randomly. Random means here we can pick anything. Okay, sequentially means here it is going to the order manner, so one after another. So random means here we can pick anything that is possible. So when you are taking this one, our performance is when we have this slow performance, we are comparing to the our magnetic disk, and that is giving the some tracks manner. Okay, so that is giving the some tracks manner. So why it is giving the some tracks manner, means here if any slow manner will be there, here it is when you are giving the tracks, here it is maybe very faster. When we have the tracks manner, it may be coming to the very fast to perform the our magnetic disk. Okay, if you have this low performance only, we are performing the tracks manner. Okay, why we are performing the tracks, means here by using the tracks type, here we can perform the our performance will be very faster to perform with the our magnetic disk, right? In this in the spiral track, it can be divided into sectors. Okay, so your this spiral track can be divided into some sectors. Okay, so here what we have the spiral track, so that can be divided into some sectors. It can be divided into some sectors manner. So these sectors are having the equal length. These sectors is having the equal length, and it is enabled to data package. It is we have the enable and disable, right? So your it is enables the data packing at the maximum speed on a disk. Okay, maximum speed. Okay, so we have the speed, right? So we are calculating the speed for everything, so right, so whatever we have the speed to calculate the our disk, that can be accessed into performance. Okay, and we need the complex performance. Why? Because your rotational speed or else your radius of the disk is performing the very inversely. Okay, so it is rotating and it is taking some radius to perform that one. So whenever it is rotating, it is taking some radius to perform it. So that's what your these two are in the inverse performances. That's what we are using the our complex type. Okay, right, and your drives are running slowly. Why? Because your it is reading and writing the data. Drives are performing this slowly. So why? Because your it is okay, it is doing the reading and writing data. So where it is reading and writing the data, so from the our sectors. Here it is reading and writing the our from the sectors, and whatever you are doing the faster speed for the reading or else writing data, so that can be giving the sectors like this. Okay, sectors means your it is dividing the tracks type or parts type like this. Okay, so this is the storage organization. Okay, and next we have the storage capacity. Yes, we are organizing, but what we have the capacity to for the storage. Second one, we have the storage capacity. Second one, we have the storage capacity. So this storage capacity is having like optical disc is having a very less cost. Okay, here optical disc is having the very less cost per bit storage capacity. Yes, it is optical disc is having the very less cost. Okay, for what it is having the very less cost here? Per bit storage. Okay, per bit storage it is having the less cost, and here it is storing the per bit storage capacity. Why? Because here it is having the high storage density and low cost. It is having the high storage density. It is having the high storage density and it is having the low cost. Yes, it is having the high storage density, but it is having the low cost also, right? And your optical disc is ranges from 3 inches to, we have the capacity, right? 3 inches to 12 inches. Here this optical disc is having the diameter will be like this. Here 3 inches to diameter, how much we have here? 3 inches to 12 inches. And your optical disc is having, suppose your 5.25 diameter. Suppose if you are taking the 5.25 diameter, this is storing the capacity will be 650 MB. Okay, here our optical disc is starting with the 3 inches to 12 inches. Suppose in between I am taking the 5.25. So if you are taking the 5.25 of optical disc, it is storing the 650 MB. Okay, if you are taking the another one, so that is storing the another data like this. Okay, so here it is also used to perform the multimedia type. Multimedia type means here it may be audios or videos. Okay, you can save like this anything. So your storage capacity of optical disc is taking the product of number of sectors and the number of bytes for the sectors. Okay, so whatever we have the number of sectors and number of bytes by like that it is performing. Suppose you are taking the 5.25, right? So if it is taking like this 3,30,000, so 3,30,000 into 2352. So means you the number of sectors in the 5.25. So your optical disc is like we have 3,30,000, and if every sector is storing the 2352 bytes of memory. Okay, so it will be displayed like this 776 into 10 to the power of 6 bytes. It is displaying the 776 into 10 to the power of 6 bytes, or else it is directly displaying like 776 megabytes of memory. 776 megabytes of memory. Okay, so if you are taking the 5.25, it is taking the 776 megabytes, so which is performing like actual capacity like 650 MB. So we got like this, but it is taking the actual data, it is like this. Yes, we have the 776, but it is storing the 650 MB only. Okay, it is storing the 650 MB of data, right? And next here we have third one. Okay, so third one, what we have here, we have the third one is like optical disk drive. Optical disk drive. Okay, so here how it will be performs your third one, we have the optical disk drive. Okay, so how these optical disk drive can be performs, how these optical disk drive can be performed, and what we have the optical disk drive here. Okay, so right, we have the optical disk drive. So this optical disk drive is used to perform the our read and write operations. Here this is performing the read and write operations. Okay, by using the optical disk we can read and we can write also possible into this. So what we are writing and what we are reading, so we are reading the data. Okay, data means here whatever you are writing, whatever you are reading, so that is we can call data only. Right, here it is having the electrical, electronic and mechanical components into optical disk drive. So what we have in this electrical, electronic and mechanical. So what we have here electric, electronic and mechanical components we have into the optical disk drive, so to perform or else to hold the our optical disk, right? So this optical disk is while reading or writing the data from the optical disk, it is performing like electrical, electronic and mechanical type. Okay, right, and it is also having the tray of placing a disk. It is having the tray of placing a disk. One tray it is having to place the our disk, whatever we have the CDs or DVDs. So if you need to be placed that one, it is taking the some tray. Okay, and it is having some motor to rotate that one, and for read and write also it is having that one, and it is having some lasers, right? Inside it is having the inside it is having the some lasers also. So just to see what we have, I will show you. See this. See the diagram for this. Okay, so your we have the box like this. Here this is the optical disc. So in this we are placing the our CDs. Okay, it may be anything, so it may be any company, anything you can take. So so that can be placed like this. Here inside we are taking the one flat surface, one flat right. See this, we have the one flat right. So in this place we are placing the our CDs, that is taking the inside part, and lasers are rotating on that, and lasers are performed on that CDs. Okay, we can place like this. Okay, so we can place these CDs like this. So once you close it, that one, it can be processed. It may be audios or it may be videos or anything. So your CDs is taking the only audios, and DVD is taking the videos. Okay, so why? Because your CD is not having the more space or more capacity to perform the videos. Okay, so here like this we have the our optical disc. So this is performing like this. And next here we have the fourth one is like axis time. We have the fourth one, axis time. Okay, we have the fourth one, axis time. So your axis time is taking the our optical disc manner only. So how it is taking the optical disc manner means your, it is normally it is comparing the our magnetic disc performance. So why it is comparing with the magnetic disc means here it is having the some reasons to perform. So what we have reasons here, optical disc is having the continuous spiral tracks. Okay, so your optical disc, what it is having? Continuous spiral tracks. It is having the continuous. Continue means your, so one after another it is having the spiral tracks. Okay. And whenever it is performing the, it is taking the very slow comparisons, very slow magnetic disc, and it is taking the some concentric tracks like this we have to means here it is performing the very fast comparing to the magnetic disc. Your accessing time will be high, very fast, right? It is having the very fast. Okay, compared to the, it is performing the very fast. Okay, for what here we are comparing, for the magnetic disk here we are comparing this, right? And in this parallel track it is dividing into the equal length of sectors, and that is enabling the high speed and rotational speeds, and it is a very inversely type we have, right? So rotation and radius we have the inverse type, and that is taking the run when it is reading and writing, it is running in this slow manner. Sometimes it will be get the some heat also to perform. So whatever it may be, we are performing the reading and writing. Okay, we are reading and writing also. Okay, and your optical disc is removable media. Okay, so why? Because your, yes, we can place that one and we can remove is also possible. Okay, optical disc is removable, means it is not fixed into the system, so if we can remove is also possible. So by the track here we can by the tray we can place and we can remove is possible easily. And it is having this means your if you're having the any scratches or dust, any some sticky prints, anything, so it is displaying the some errors. So if it is in the clear, so yes, it is whatever you have songs or anything, so it will be displayed on the clear. If you have scratches or else dust or some prints on the CDs or anything, so it may be disturbance. Okay, so disturbance means it is showing like some errors type. Okay, so and means in that time it is a rereading process. So um again it is reading. So I think we have the one movie, so like I think everyone knows that one. So means here suppose it is reading the optical disc drive read and write method electronics, suppose, so suppose that one. So if you have any problem on the CDs, it may be dust or anything, so if it is reading the rereading process, means here optical disc like this, here it is reading. Okay, so means here it is continuously reading like this. Okay, so please check if your CD is perfect or not. If not, here there is no use by that. There is no for that, right? And your you can reconstruct the data into that, or else here you can perform anything. So you can reconstruct, or else you can move that data into the another CDs. That is also possible. Okay, and your read and write optical disc is not in the closed method. Okay, so means your rotating of the disc is high speed, and if that is having the high speed, it may be damaged, or else disc will be having the internal parts will be damaged, anything will be. Okay, so means your accessing time we have the very fast manner, but sometimes we'll get the some problems also. Okay, and next here we have the fifth one, axis mechanism. Fifth one we have axis mechanism. Okay, so this is having the means here this axis mechanism, mostly nowadays we are using this one, compact disc. Compact disc means your CDs only. Mostly nowadays everyone is using the CD-ROMs. Okay, CDs. And so these are the outcome of optical disc technology. So we can call this is a cross-sectional overview of the optical disc. Okay, so let's see the one diagram how we will have the optical disc. Okay, so we have like this our optical disc. I will show you. So means here how it will be performs inside, not outside. How it will be performs inside, I will show you. Okay, inside it is performing. So we have the track spanner or everything, right? So inside we have spirals and tracks, everything. So it will be, it takes your every mechanism, every parts and every each and every accessing time and every mechanism, right? So and it is having one up and down process for the reading and writing, right? Up and down processes we have to read and write. Okay, to read and write for this, here it is having the up and down processes to our optical disc. Says whatever you have the CDs or anything. Okay, inside process it will be like inside process will be like this. Okay, right. And next your yes, we have the diagram. So what is the use for this, right? So here this is the aluminum coating. Okay, so this is the aluminum coating. And next here this space can be polycarbonate plastic. Yes, we are calling that is the place, but your inside it is having the polycarbonate plastic. Okay, so that plastic is made by the polycarbonate. Okay, polycarbonate plastic. Yes, we are calling that is the plastic, but here it is made by the polycarbonate. And we have this is the label. This is the label. And next here it is having this one, right? So it is acrylic. It is the okay, right? And it is having like pit. It is the some land. Okay, so like this here we have the inside performance for the our series. Yes, we have outside like optical disc, but inside it is working with okay with the performance with the like this. So what we have inside performance, it is coated with the aluminum and the plastic will be made by the polycarbonate, and it is having the labels, pits and lands like acrylic, everything. So it is the cross-sectional overview. We can call this is the cross-sectional overview of optical disc. Okay, right. And next here, so whatever we have the cross-sectional overview. So your disc is having the thick layers of polycarbonate plastic. Yes, it is having the thick layer. It is having the plastic, but that is having the thick layer by the polycarbonate plastic. And this thickness of optical disc is mainly contributed by the our polycarbonate plastic inside itself. Okay, so and this thickness we have the 1.2 mm. Okay, so this, yes, we have the polycarbonate plastic will be thickness. So how much it is having the thickness means here we have the 1.2 mm, and this compact disc is having the spiral sections. It is having some spiral sections. We can call those sections is like sectors. We can call those sections is like sectors, and these sectors are having the some tiny dot like regions refer like pits here. Yes, we have the pits here like this. This is the pits. Okay, so here it is having these some tiny dots. Here we can call those tiny dots is like pits, and it is having the unaffected laser beam like lands. Okay, so here it is not affected by the laser beams. Here like this, here we have the lands into this. So what we have here, lands we have. Okay, and so here it is performing like uh, means here it is covered with the layer like aluminum. It is covering with the aluminum, and it is again covered with the acrylic. So once here it is covering with the aluminum, again it is coated with the acrylic, and it is completed with the final converting layer, which is thin label performance. Okay, so after another it is storing like this. Okay, so once your strong laser is focused on this disk, here it is, there is no problem with this. Okay, so why? Because here it will not breakable when you are placing like this. Here it will not breakable directly. Okay, so it is having the drifted through again any carbonate plastic or anything. So if you are placing the aluminum layer and any bunches or backing, so anything is yes, good, perfect for this. So we can call like this is a photo detector. Okay, we can call photo detector. All right, here we can place this one. So how it will be performs pit to land. Yes, we have the pit to land, right? So how it, this pit to land is performing inside. Okay, see this, we have the pit and the land performance. This is the pit and this is the land. Okay, so how it will be performs here. Here it is always performing the pit to land performances. Okay, right? And okay, and next here this is the laser source. Second. Okay, this is a laser source, and this is the photo detector. This is the photo detector. Okay, and we can call here we have, right? Okay, we can call this is unreflected beam. We can call this is the unreflected beam. Again we have okay, so this is the reflected beam. This is the reflected beam, and this is also reflected beam. So why it is reflected? So it is not reflecting directly here. It is not coming. It is stopping here only. So these are all coming to this. Yes, these are all coming to this. So that's what here we are calling like this. Here it is performing. Access mechanism can be performed like this. Means here laser beams are taking the source and encounters type, and it is performing the pit to land. Whenever you are performing the interfaces onto these beams, and it will be reflects back to the smooth performance. Okay, so your reflection can be done here, also reflection can be done here, reflection cannot be done here, and it is capturing everything. So whatever you are storing, whatever you are reading, whatever you are writing, so and means here it is taking like one photo detector manner. Okay, so here it will be captures everything. So here we can call it, these are the captures, whatever you are doing, so that can be captured by this. And reflected can be done your success once here we means here it will be success by the photo detector type. Okay, it can be successed by the our photo detector, and this is having the some bright spots onto this, and if you are rotating on the disc here, it is taking the major strikes on to perform the our edges whenever you are going the pit to land and pit bit to land bit. Okay, like this here it is moving to this, and whatever you are moving, so if it may be transition type or else it is taking the some parts type, anything. Okay, so like this here it is performing, right? Okay, done. And next here it is having the some land to bit performance will be in the some bits format. Yes, it is taking the bit and land is taking the bit and land, it is taking the performance is like bit performance, right? So how it will be performs the bit performance? Yes, how this is performing the bit type, how this is taking the bit type. Okay, so here first we have the bit and bit, right? See this. First here I am taking the pit. First here I am taking the pit, and the piece, this bit is taking four types of bits, 0, 0, 0, 1, and it is taking the land. It is taking the land will be 0, 1. Okay, and next it is taking the again pit. Okay, so this pit is taking the six types, like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and again this land is taking the 0, 0, 0. Again this pit is taking the 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and again here we take land. Okay, so this land again taking the 0, 0, 0. Again it is taking the some pit, 1, 0, 0. So means here like this here it is performing the bits format. Here our bit and land is taking the bits format into like this. Okay, so your reflections means here how the reflections are going to the laser beam, so that is having the some binary data. Okay, so how the reflections can be done by using the binary data, we will get the some reflections onto this. Means here where the pit and the lands we have, so your data can be represented in the zeros and ones, right? So your wherever you are taking the transition from the pit to land, your it will be displaced from land to pit, pit to land. We have land to pit we have, right? So zeros and ones we have into this, your zeros and ones we have, and your binary digits are repeating with the pits and lands type, and if you are not counting this one, so it will be data stored or not. Okay, so your optical disk is taking the some storing performance that can be having the some type of some special types to perform into this. Suppose you are taking the disk diameter. Okay, suppose you are taking the some disk diameter, so this disk diameter is having the range is like, okay, range is like 120 mm. Suppose it is having the range 120 mm, or else it is having the 15 mm some hole. Okay, here it is having the 120 mm with a 15 mm hole at the center of the disc. Yes, we have the one disc, and in the in between we have the one hole, right? So that hole is having the 120 mm, or else it is having the 15 mm space hole, right? And so those are inserted into our tracks, or everything is having the means here our compact disc is maintaining the 15,000. Okay, 15,000 of tracks. Okay, here our compact disc is maintaining the 15,000 of tracks into this. Each track is possesses a track density. Okay, every track, yes, we have the 15,000 tracks. Each and every track can be performs the 6,000 track centimeters. Okay, every track is having the some density will be 6000. Every track is having the some density 6000 tracks per centimeter. Everything is performing like this. Okay, so this is the how our optical disc is performing. So what we have into this here optical disc basic principles, we have like storage organization, storage capacity, optical disk drive, accessing time, accessing mechanism. Okay, so your accessing mechanism can be done in the photos type like this. Okay, so we discussed, right? Okay, so like this here it is performing. So CD can be performed inside like this. Okay, whatever we have the CDs that can be performed inside like this, and it is performing pit and land. So mostly we are working the pit and land into the photo capturing type. Okay, so this is the your optical disc. In the next class we will discuss another topic.